Hi, Lynn here from Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to stamp on fabric. So I've got a textile paint here. Let me shake it up a little bit. I have one of my Gelli plates here, and you don't need very much paint. So that's more than enough for what I'm going to do today. So I've got this handmade stamp of a little fly. He doesn't have wings. I'm going to add wings on him with some fabric. And so you want to spread your paint really thin on your Gelli plate. It's going to be our stamp pad. And I like Gelli plates for this because they have that little bit of cushion like a stamp pad that works well with your textile paints. So it doesn't have to be pretty. I have a thread there. Gently pick it up, and then again press gently. And there's one. So I'm going to have the flies going in different directions here. Keep stamping until you've got all the design elements you want on your fabric. You'll notice that I've used some painter's tape to be able to hold the fabric securely and it's a vinyl tablecloth. Once you've finished stamping, let it dry and then heat set it with a hot iron. And then you're ready to be able to use your new fabric in whatever creations you want to make.